Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to delete messages now. Open the Messages app and confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Once done, decide whether to enable messages in iCloud. That makes deletions propagate to all devices, so use it if desired. Make a QuickTime machine backup if you plan a bulk purge. This preserves anything you might need later. Now focus on the conversation you want to clean up and click to open it, ready for targeted deletes. You can remove single messages by control-clicking the exact message bubble and choosing Delete. This clears just that bubble. For multiple entries, hold Command or Shift while selecting messages, then use Delete to remove them in one action. This is faster for threads with many items. If the whole conversation is unwanted, right-click the conversation in the sidebar and choose Delete Conversation. Confirm when prompted. Make sure you understand whether messages in iCloud. To finish, quit messages and reopen to refresh the app state. That ensures changes are applied locally. If deletions don't propagate, sign out of messages and sign back in, or toggle messages in iCloud off and on to force a resync. Make sure your Mac is updated and restart it if delete controls are missing or grayed out. Troubleshooting tip: if you cannot delete a message, check iCloud status and update Mac OS. Signing out of messages and signing back in usually resolves permission and sync inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.